the phrase bricks and mortars. This phrase is used to explain business models. It refers to the traditional street side businesses that offers their goods and services to their customers face to face, maybe in stores or offices. On the other hand, Amazon is the example of web-based business. Nowadays, these bricks and mortar stores finding it difficult to compete with web-based businesses. But there are some stores, those who offer their services online as well as physically. Such stores are known as bricks and clicks. Click on the title and link above, and if you are watching this on YouTube, then in the description link given below to see the entire video lecture of the topic.